Look at that face. Look at that face. Now where are you off to? Go watch television. Go watch TV. They just love to show off after they have a shed. They're so proud. Strut around, show off their colors after a shed. He especially is. He struts around like he's King Tut after he has a shed. It's kind of cute to watch. You can see the pride in him. You're a good boy. You had a perfect shed for me yesterday. Here we go again. Time to turn the tote because he'll flip it up. You don't get out of stuff. Pain in the butt. Go watch television. Stop getting into stuff. Go watch TV. Yeah, go watch television. There you go. So now I'm going to harass you. That's him next to my leg. Look at him. He is just perfect in every way. Gorgeous animals. You got some big scales, Chewy. Where's your head at? You have to keep track of them when you have them out, because they can get into mischief, trust me. Okay. Alright. Here we go. On mama time again. You're too big to be on me. You're too big to be climbing all over me. What's that? What's that? What's that? Can I get into that? She's not gonna let me get into that, huh? No, 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 no. I think not. You can't have a bad day around them. They're hilarious. No, you're stubborn. You're hard-headed. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. I'm not a tree, kid. I'm not a tree. I love spending time with them. They're so entertaining. I know a cat that better quit scratching on that snake room door or she's gonna get her butt spanked. What do you do? There, watch television. Watch TV, Chewy. See? Nice sci-fi movie on. Watch it. Here we go. He's gonna make me have to spin this toad around again. I'm feeling 100% better today. The moxicillin knocked it out. Thank goodness. I spent the better part of a week laying in bed watching television sick. No, I don't think you're gonna do that. You would flip that big monitor right. No, no. Hey, no. I am not buying another big monitor like that one. That was expensive. No can do. No can do. See what I mean? They're just like toddler children. Curious? Gotta check everything out. Gotta get into everything. You're a pain in the butt. And you won't stay off me. These guys love being on me and around me. They drive me crazy. Well, now where are you going? Oh, here we go again. Here we go again. Oh, dear. No, Chew. No. So you smacked me. You smacked me. That wasn't nice. Mama give you a pop, did I? Oh, here we go. Come on. This way. Here, muscle. Look at that. He just finished shedding 2 last night. That's muscle, people. That's not fat. See the indentation on both sides of the spine? That's called muscle. Fat doesn't have that gap on both sides of the spine. For people that are dumb and don't know any better, or assume that they know better, fat is full all the way around. It doesn't leave indentations on both sides of the Not the skull, the spine, sorry. I've had a long day. I've had all my snakes out today, spawning them and hanging out with them. Chewy's back out for the 3rd time today. He loves watching TV. He gets in his moods. He just wants to sit and watch TV constantly. So, yeah, he's back out again. His reward for a perfect shed yesterday. He's probably the biggest coastal carpet python here in the United States. I'd take bets on it. You smell it? Okay, he smells jasmine again on the tote. You gonna watch television with me? I just finished refreshing his water and giving him clean papers. I keep my enclosures spotless. It means a lot to me for my snakes to live in clean, healthy conditions. Yeah. Where are you going? No. No. Please don't knock everything over there. Please don't. Hey. 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 Come this way. You gonna flip over. You gonna flip over. Hey, you. You gonna flip your toad over. You big cow. You big, strong, super snake, you. She's as big as a dang reticulated python, Chewy. Oh, here we go again. You're just dying to get into something today, aren't you? There you go. You found jasmine on the toad again. There you go. Sit there and taste the toad all over, so I don't have to keep being distracted from the sci-fi movie I'm watching. She's still in here. She's over. See, Jasmine's over there now, by the door. She's big for a year-old snake. Jeepers, she's a big girl. She's gonna be as big as Chewy is. What'd you find, Jasmine? Taste jasmine on the plastic. Oh, you guys. You're spoiled rotten. All of you. Every single one of you. All 21 of you. Spoiled rotten. You found this girlfriend's son on the toad again. Well, you'll be breeding in April. Give or take. I don't know, she's kind of twitchy. You might not like her anymore, and you didn't like Jade. Jade was twitchy. Moody, so he was offended by her behavior. It took 3 years to get him to breed with her because she aggravated him so bad because she was so twitchy and controlling. He just didn't want anything to do with her. There you go, muscle boy. Hey, muscles. Hopefully Jasmine won't act the same way with him, so I had to wait another 3 years to get him to breed with her. He's so particular. He's such a good boy. Look at your pretty face after that shed. Look at that pretty face. Yeah, you are. Yeah. I'm watching TV, some sci-fi movies today. This is his 3rd trip out. 3 times he's been out begging to come out, and I don't want to see him rubbing his nose on the glass or the walls of the enclosure, so he gets to come out. You're a rotten brat. Here you are. You're spoiled rotten. Yeah. Hi.